Hi, and in this video, I'm going to share how to teach a man to kiss without saying a word. I'm Matt Shaffer, your dating, empowerment, and relationship coach, here today with a really fun topic: how to teach a man to kiss you just the way you want without telling him anything. You don't have to say anything to get a man to kiss you in just the way that you're looking for. I'm going to share with you how to do this. But before I do, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption at the end of this video to get a great training I've created just for you to help you in your relationships. Okay, so I know how important this topic is because something I hear from a lot of clients and women in my life is that a lot of guys out there aren't really that great at kissing, or they're not kissing you in the way that you want. Maybe they're giving you too much tongue, or they're giving you too little tongue, or they're too aggressive, or they're not aggressive enough, right? There's so many ways that men maybe just don't know or don't understand how you want to be kissed. So now we're going to teach men how to kiss you. Sound good? So the principle I want you to remember here is that you are the conductor, right? You are the conductor of the relationship, meaning he is the musician, right? He is the physical driver. He's always going to be pushing forward, just like a musician in an orchestra wanting to play the music. It's your job as the conductor to guide him. So when it comes to kissing, the most important thing for you to remember is to lead by example. So you want to kiss him in exactly the manner that you want to be kissed. So as the conductor, however you want him to give you tongue during kissing, give it to him that way. However intensely you want him to kiss you, do it that way. Demonstrate to him the way that you want to be kissed consistently in how you kiss him. If he's intuitive, if he's connected, if he's really paying attention, he's going to pick up on that from you. He's going to understand that you're kissing him in a way that makes sense and feels good to you, and he's going to start mirroring that back to you. But I know sometimes, even though you might be demonstrating beautifully how you want to be kissed and leading by example, he's just not getting the hint, right? He's not getting the hint, and he's going to be plowing ahead, giving you too much tongue or doing whatever he's doing. And that's when you get to playfully indicate to him that you don't like being kissed that way. And you don't need to tell him anything to do that. Smile and pull back just a little bit. Give him a little head shake, even a little giggle. Be playful about it so that he doesn't feel rejected or like you've bruised his ego. And then guide him again. Lead by example again. Let him know, I don't really like it the way that you were doing it, but this is the way that I like it. And you can do that without saying a word and continue to guide him into kissing you exactly the way that you want. And the last tip I want to give you here is don't be afraid to sort of play with that masculine feminine energy balance and take charge a little bit in kissing. Don't be afraid to grab his face a little bit and pull him towards you, direct him and physically guide him into exactly the way that you want him to be. This is one of those examples where you taking charge and being a little bit more masculine can be really hot, and he's really going to appreciate you letting him know in whatever way you can exactly how you want to be kissed and how he can make you feel so good. He'll appreciate it, I promise. So there you go. 3 simple steps to teach a man how you like to be kissed without saying a word. The first step is to lead by example. Demonstrate the way you like to be kissed by kissing him exactly like that in all the different areas of how you enjoy that connection. Show him and guide him into doing it with you. Secondly, if he's not kissing you in a way that you like, don't be afraid to show him that you don't like it by pulling away, smiling, and then redirecting him and redemonstrating to him how you do like to be kissed. It doesn't have to be a rejection. It can be a redirection if you do it in a playful and feminine way. Lastly, don't be afraid to get a little masculine. Don't be afraid to take charge and guide him physically by grabbing his head, doing whatever it is that you want, and showing him how you want to be kissed. Be a little commanding. Take control a little bit. He will be turned on by that, and he will appreciate it. I promise. And everybody will win. You're going to be getting kissed exactly the way you want, and he's going to know that he's making you happy. So I hope that you loved this video. If you did, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption for an awesome training I've created to really help you in your relationships with men. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.